So, as some of you know, I'm currently living in the Dumaguete area. A friend of mine has two rentals, and he's let me live in one of the rentals free of charge against me doing some renovation on both rentals while he is in Spain for the next few months. So I am doing rental on both houses. One I call a glass house. It's basically made of glass and concrete, as you can see. I'm talking here about the. I'm planning to change the curtains, so it's hanging rail instead of that type of rail. But the main focus today is going to be the kitchen. As you can see, some of the parts of the interior of the glass house. As I walk in here, I'll show you the bedroom, and all these lights are going to be changed. The curtains are going to be changed. So there's quite a few changes coming to this, and then once I'm done, I will be advertising it for him on Facebook Marketplace, so keep an eye out on that. So this is the kitchen, how it looked like before the renovations. Just need to turn on the light here so you can see. Just hold on 1 second while I turn on the lights. There we go. Lights are on. And then this is how it looks like before the renovation. So as you can see, it's very dark. The tile is kind of really outdated. So I decided, you know what, let's just renovate the whole kitchen. So I did that. I got some quotes from different people. And this one guy, an electrician that's done work for me, really good work for me. He recommended some people. So I went with him, and then so they started work on it. And they used approximately 8 to 9 days. They were very good people. They actually worked from early in the morning to late in the evening, non-stop. I mean, these guys were hardworking people. The hardest working people I've come across here. Anyway, this was part of the renovation right here. The wood you see on the side is actually going to be used to build the new cabinets. And they've taken out the old sink, taken out the tile. There's actually at the bottom, you see they've started building the cabinets there, while the cabinets on top are still there. So just removing all that was actually a lot of work. They didn't realize how much work it was going to be. But we had agreed on a price before the work started, so they didn't ask for any more, and that's what they got. So at the end here, this is the new kitchen. This is how it looks like. I think it turned out really well. The white against that gray colored tile, I really like that. I'm planning, of course, once we put some kitchenwares in there, it's going to be a black color to create more contrast, same as the handles on the cabinets. And as you can see, the thickness of these cabinets are really good. There's several layers of paint, 2 undercoats and 2 primary on the cabinets, so that should last a long time. I redid the roof, painted the roof. I didn't, but the painter did. And I really like the way it turned out. I really do. And for the price I paid, it's very reasonable, I think. And at the end, I'll put up an Excel sheet so you guys can see exactly what I paid for everything. And that includes the tile, the new sink, the paint, all the wood that I bought to build the cabinets, the labor, what else? The handles for the cabinets. So yeah, included all that, the plumbing, everything. So the only thing I haven't included in here are the lights. That I'm going to be putting new LED lights in the ceiling. I'm going to be putting LED under the cabinets there. And that's not included, but that should be maybe $100 at max, $200 at the top, way top part. So the price I give you here is basically almost the finished price. So the price is actually 84,000 pesos, basically 84,500 pesos, which amounts to about $1,440 at an exchange rate of 59. Basically call it $1,500. With the LED lights, it'll be maybe $1,700 for the whole job, which I think is very reasonable. If you wait towards the end, I actually have a comparison video of the start to the end. I mean, side-by-side shots, so you can really see the difference.